mother from United Kingdom. We found this clinic through Google and we were just looking. And then when I came here, I didn't expect the city to be so beautiful. And I fell in love with it. It's probably one of my favorite cities in the world. And my experience so far has been so amazing. And the staff are very friendly and professional, especially Mr. Artem, and he is the best. He knows what's best for you, and so if you're a person that needs their teeth to be fixed, this is a perfect place. Not only their place is beautiful as well, and their appliances are very high tech, so it is very good. And there's no such thing as bad things that I can say about the Myra Clinic.